featuring some unique products at the boat show. I'm with Emily, and she's got a drone that is very unique. Emily, you tell me all about it.
Cool. Hi, everyone. I'm Emily from HoverAir with our HoverAir Aqua here today, and it is the world's first waterproof self-flying camera. So self-flying camera means while you can fly it like a traditional drone, we are designed to let you do everything hands-free. So you can be in the moment with your friends, on your jet ski, kayaking, whatever.
Let's get Max to throw it in the water, and you can keep talking about it, Emily. So totally. Max has got it here. Look at that. Just throw it in the water.
So it's fully waterproof, and it floats on water, as you can see. It's upside down at the moment. And that
self-rights.
It self-rights. Yep, we call that turtle flip. And in Max's hand, he has something that we call the lighthouse.
Oh, there you go.
Normally, you would strap this on your arm, for example. And what the lighthouse is it is a tracking beacon plus a very simple controller. So now the Aqua is focused on Max. It's tracking him and the controller, and he'll move around, and it's just going to follow him. So we're in follow mode right now. The max speed is up to 55 kilometers an hour. So you can imagine he's kayaking, he's jet skiing, which means the wind resistance is amazing. We've been flying out at the boat show. It's been like 30 plus knots wind.
Well, it's windy enough now, isn't it?
It's windy enough now. Yeah. It's doing super stable. And you can see Max now can control it with the controller. So while it's following him, he can adjust the distance away from him, up, down. And it's just a really hands-free,
so nice you can control it, but it also can just do auto, can't it?
Absolutely. And we have tons of mode. We have custom-made modes for different water sports. Yep. We have all of the sort of traditional drone-y shots like zoom out, orbit. Bird's eye, you can fly it with a remote controller if you want. Now he's doing remote return to home. And you can see it'll land in the water, or you can just snatch it out of the air.
Very safe too.
Maybe we can see the lens here. I mean, some other things that I just want to point out. We've got a hydrophobic lens on it, so it's just going to be a super clear shot, and we have an anti-fogging system within it.
And 4K?
4K, 100 frames per second.
Yep.
The screen is amazing because you can preview your shot
we probably won't see that so well.
Yeah, but it's a super bright AMOLED screen.
Fantastic. And what's the price on these?
We are doing, we're open for retail soon, end of the month.
Yep.
And so it will be $2,500 retail on our website, hoverair.com. And there's a boat show special, but sadly you guys are not here to enjoy the boat show.
And how long's the flying time on that?
Flying time is 23 minutes.
23 minutes. And the distance you said away from, say you're filming your boat, how far away from the boat can it go?
It depends a little bit on signal interference always. Realistically, you're probably going to get about 300 meters with this. We're really focused on sort of filming you and your surroundings and not on like long distance piloting.
Yeah, all right. Lovely. Thank you, Emily, for the little tour.
Welcome. Yeah.
Great, thank you.